Now, you don't see any livestock in the backyard. We're not watering horses or cattle. This is going to be our pool. This will be the 3rd season we have had this stock tank that, yep, we bought it at a farm store, Farm and Home, to use as a nice little cooling off pool for us during the hot summer days. So this is the first winter we actually stored it outside, and it seemed to have done just fine. We laid landscape fabrics, we put rocks around it. He's kind of moving the rocks out of the way. The first 2, we stored it in our barn, and then he came up with the idea so that the rocks didn't all move with the snow and stuff here in Michigan, to just leave it where it is. And as you can see, there's no rust, the way they make galvanized now. And we're going to just share with you how we set it up for another season.
So if you can grab this, I'm walking around the way. If you can grab this and hold it.
Okay.
Is what I was doing.
They make liners now for the hillbilly pool, which is just the biggest size stock tank you can buy from Farm Fleet, Family Farm and Home, I think it's called. Our daughter works there. Yeah, so you can buy a liner on Amazon, y'all. It is the perfect time to start setting these up.
So it's just this one's made for pools, it says, but I mean they have them for RVs and stuff too. So yeah. It's just a filter. It's probably got carbon and stuff in it to take out all the iron and stuff. They are only rated for X amount of gallons. So depending on the size of your pool, you'd want to look that up. This one, if it dries well and doesn't plug up again, we should be able to use this 20 times.
Yeah.
It's like 20,000 gallons. So I think this is only 500 gallons, so 40 times.
It comes right out there.
Unfortunately, I gotta do the Lucille Ball trick and get inside it.
Okay, Lucio Ball, on his cold feet.
Yeah, being well watered, it's only like 40 degrees.
Yes.
Degrees.
So yeah, I mean, it'll fill it up, but if you want not to have wrinkles and stuff, you kind of have to help it spread out. So like you said, he's doing the Lucy. He's making smashing the grape.
Wine.
Making wine. There you go. Smashing the wine.
Ooh.
Don't slip.
I put lotion on my feet this morning, so
Oh.
it's
Yeah, So see, he's just trying to tighten it up. Because once that weight of that water gets on there, it's not happening. He wanted to fill it up the other day, and I'm like, no, wait, I think there's a filter we could use. This blue is kind of like the green, you know, getting to see that pool blue and the green of the ferns right now. Oh. And because it's so small, it does not take long to heat up.
it'll be full in an hour or two.
Yeah. Is it like ice skating?
Very slippery.
Yes. So I stored the pool liner inside the house in my office so that we didn't have to worry about it freezing or anything like that. No, we did not leave it on. As you saw, it's after you empty it, it's not that difficult to take off. Letting it dry out. I didn't want anything to live in it by putting it in the barn. Luckily, we have the space in the house to store it. And Tater's watching all that's going on. I know, I wish we didn't live on a busy road. He just has to watch from afar. Hey, sorry, baby. Sorry. Stop, Mom. Hi. Say hi to everybody. Oh, there you go. Cute little hi. Fills up fast. So what, 3 hours? 3 hours later?
Yeah.
Not bad. Water feature. So yeah, you chlorinate it. Yeah, you treat it just like it is a pool. It's just a smaller size pool. So yeah, you want to chlorinate it and shock it and all of that.
Splash.
Sure.
Liquid chlorine. And really during the summer it doesn't take much. Skimmer.
That way it's not sitting at the bottom.
It'll eat the liner if it does. Then you can get the buggies.
So the shock is sitting at the bottom. So some people drill holes and then they put their filter in that way. We didn't want to mess with that. We just need to cycle it. So it reads 62 degrees right right now. So a little bit on the chilly side. Thinking about it. Just gotta get all the air out of the line. Last year he ran electrical out here to be able to plug this in. If you can actually order a little bit on the dirty side, but you know, kind of wet when we put it away. But yes, you can order a solar cover.
You can't put it all the way up. It's
No.
waterproof.
It'll come clean. It'll take no time at all to heat up. You just put the skimmer on the top of it. If not, then the solar cover will blow away. I don't know, but that's just enough to. The solar cover will come clean. Not terribly worried about it. Put it on the grass and you get grass clippings in it, so it will. It'll be one rainstorm and it'll be clean.